The average adult human heart beats about roughly 72 times a minute, but between 60 and 100 beats per minute is normal. So if you take the average, it means our hearts beat about 100,000 times a day or more. But compared to mice whose hearts beat 500 times a minute, that's very small fry. Every 2 minutes someone has a heart attack in Britain, and just over half of all heart attacks people survive from. 30% of people never even make it to hospital with a heart attack, and then a few more die within that first month. Coronary heart disease is the UK's single biggest killer. It's bigger than any particular cancer. 15% of all deaths in women are from coronary heart disease, and 20% of all deaths in men are from coronary heart disease. And a frightening stat for women is that you're 4 times more likely to die of a heart problem than you are breast cancer, which is something that isn't very widely known. There's a massive regional difference, and there's a big problem with difference in socio-economic groups. So if you're a manual worker, you're much more likely to have a heart disease than if you are a professional. So if you live on the west coast of Scotland, you're 6 times more likely to have a heart attack than you are if you live in southwest of England, down in Cornwall and Devon. The more risk factors people have, the greater the risk of having a heart attack one day. So if you're a smoker and you eat lots and lots of hard cheese and you don't go to the gym ever and you're overweight, your blood pressure's high, then your risk is much greater than someone who doesn't have those risk factors. So we can all do something about heart disease, and we can beat it together.